गोंय वेंचणूक आयोगान गोंयच्या मतदारांचो आंकडो शुक्रारा दिलो. सप्टेंबर ते ऑक्टोबर 14 मजगती वेंचणूक आयोगान खासा मोहीम घेवन तरणाटे मतदारांक मतदार वळेरेंत आस्पावन घेतल्यात. राज्यांत एकूण मतदार 10.85,271,000 आसात, अशी माहिती वेंचणूक आयोगान दिल्या. RDX गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
We were having 10.85 lakhs in the draft electoral roll. So total number of forms received during the summary revision was 1,55,995. Out of which 46,700 were Form 6, that is inclusion of new names. Form 7 is 15,293. Form 8, that is correction, is 89,207. Form 8A is 4,795. Almost in Form 6, 90% forms have been accepted. Similar is the case for Form 7. Form 8, maximum have been accepted. Form 8A, similar is the same. Rejected is, suppose Form 6, somebody is submitting and the documents are not sufficient. In that case, they are not accepted.
Only the document problem.
Document problem, obviously, if you see, any person has to, when they apply, the residency criteria has to be there.
Yeah.
Some persons might be applying twice or thrice. Such kind of situation also occur. So this is the district-wide deletion report in which I hope all of you must be interested. We are having 40 AC and the dead electors have been 9,790. Shifted means from the previous our record they shifted to the new place. They themselves apply or through door-to-door verification by the BLO. That is 4,980, roughly 5,000. Portuguese nationality, those who have acquired, is 510. Absentee voters and others is 867. So that's the total figure. And then when a person changes his residence, so they apply in Form 6 and they also put up their previous detail. So because of that, there are some transposition cases. So total such additions are 47,177. Total deletions, which includes transposition, is 25,017. And net change is 22,160, that is roughly 2%. There was an administrative reorganization in the North and South district, in which Ponda Taluka was shifted from North district to South district. And in election database, we were maintaining the district election officer for Ponda was earlier North, but recently, just last week, we got approval of Election Commission of India. So now Ponda Taluka having 4 assembly constituency, Ponda, Prios, Shiroda and Madkai. So these 4 will become part of South district now, from election point of view also. That is going to ease up our election process and the entire management of elections.
During the special camps, total forms received under form number 6 is 8,160, form number 7 1,633, form number 8 10,882, 10,882, and form number 8A 794. Total forms received during the 2 special camps which were held during the special summary revision in the state of Goa is 21,469. These 2 camps were organized as per the directions and supervision of the Election Commission of India. As a part of special summary revision, as per the schedule of the Election Commission, which has commenced from 15th September to 14th October, has been systematically carried out by involving all stakeholders, campus ambassadors, nodal officers, NGOs, print, electronic media. We have had 2 meetings of political parties to identify booth-level agents to cooperate and coordinate with the BLAs, and also every booth, BLGs, where there is block awareness groups has been constituted to sensitize the voters regarding voters education and the voters information for covering of the special summary revision 2017.